three, let's go!
Hey guys, this is Harshla and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys how I make money and my multiple streams of income. Now, if you guys don't know me or if you're watching my video for the first time, I have actually completed my engineering, and after which I was working in a digital media firm for say about 6 months, after which I left my job and I started doing YouTube full-time. It's been a year that I've been doing YouTube full-time and it has been going pretty good, if I could say so myself. And these are just the ways that I've earned money like throughout the year, like throughout 2019, and I thought I should just sit down and talk to you guys about it so that you guys understand a little better on how the industry works, because I do know that a lot of content creators and YouTubers don't really talk about all these things, but here I am. I'm going to be sharing how I make money and how YouTubers in general make money. I'm going to be breaking it down from my highest source of income to my lowest source of income. So if that's something that interests you, then please keep on watching. Now, the first thing that I want to talk to you guys about is my highest source of income, which is brand deals. Now, what a brand deal is something when a company approaches you and asks you to create content and basically promote their product. Now, I create content on both my YouTube and Instagram. I do brand deals on both the platforms, that is YouTube and Instagram, and that really helps me. As far as Instagram is concerned, how it works is they usually ask you to create content and do a post or stories, multiple stories, or even a video or something like that. And with YouTube it's the same. They send in a product and then you have to create content around it and basically just promote it on your YouTube channel. Now, brand deals are pretty good and my highest source of income, and the reason for that is because brands can pay you a lot of money. By that I mean brands can pay you as much money as you may make on Adsense just in 1 month, which is crazy. Like, brand deals are cool and everything, but I think they can be a little tricky to be choosing the brands correctly and just choosing the brands that probably you believe in and you think your audience will actually resonate with. It's very important. So every time I do a brand deal, like for example, I had this one alcohol brand that they wanted me to post something about them, but I don't drink, as you all know, so I didn't do that. So there are things and there are few things that I strictly say no to. I have few things that I am not okay with doing, so I wouldn't do them, but or just things that I feel like I wouldn't do, I wouldn't recommend you guys to do that. So yeah, just know that next time you see a sponsored video, if I am recommending something or if I am talking about something, that is because I have genuinely used that product or I have researched about it, and only then I'm telling you guys to do that. So yeah, highest source of income is definitely Adsense. Now, Adsense is something that I definitely do not rely on. I mean, it is my second highest source of income, but at the same time I don't want to assume that I will be making that kind of money, like some kind of money this month, because I am sure that I might not make that much money. Like, you just never know what might happen. Sometimes YouTube pushes your video and you might get a lot of views and might make a lot of money. Sometimes you are just left with like no views and not that much money. So it's very uncertain, and that is why I think brand deals is something that every YouTuber or every content creator reaches out to, and does that is because they want to run their channel profitably. With YouTube, a lot of people think that there's a lot of money involved, and a lot of people still think that there's no money involved whatsoever. So let me just tell you that yes, there is money, but in India the ad rates are really low. If you were to put out your content from say US or something like that, I'm sure you'll get paid a lot better. Let me just give you an example. Like, I have this one video which barely has like 60k or 70k views on it, and I have this another video which has 300k plus views on it, but still this video has made a lot more money than what this video has. So yeah, just a lot of things and a lot of parameters come into the picture and they play a huge role. For example, CPM matters, your ad rates matter, your topic, what you're talking about really matters. At the same time, who is watching your video and from where, that also matters a lot. So there are a lot of parameters that are involved in this thing, and you just cannot rely on YouTube AdSense itself. You have to obviously like do brand deals and other things to sustain. Now the third way that I make my money is by affiliate links. This basically means is every time a creator or a YouTuber or someone you follow on Instagram asks you to, you know, swipe up and buy something, or the link will be in the description bar below, go and buy something, basically means that that link is an affiliate link. Every time you make a purchase through that link, they will get paid, but yeah, you wouldn't be charged any extra, so you will be paying the same amount, but because they referred you that product, they'll be getting paid. So that is how it works. Now my personal experience with affiliate hasn't been that great. I mean, some months I'll make money and other months I wouldn't, so it totally depends. So I have registered for quite a few affiliate programs, like I'm on Nykaa, then I'm on Amazon, and I really want Myntra and other brands also to come out with affiliate. That way it just makes a lot more sense. Now obviously that isn't a lot of money, and it's definitely not something that you can live off of, but yeah, it's really good to always have some of the other money. Like, it's the passive income that just keeps adding up. And yeah, talk to you guys about is saving or investing your money. It's really important. I mean, I myself have been asking a lot of people how I can invest money and how I can, you know, be prepared for the future, since now that I earn my money on my own and I am self-employed and kuch PF वगैरह कटके नहीं जा रहा है, and I am not going to get any returns after 25 years. I need to really know and make sure where my money is going and if I'm saving it and investing it right. And honestly, I'm no expert when it comes to like investing your money, but this is just something that I have learned, and if there's some advice that I can give you is to start somewhere, and once you start and you go through that process, I'm sure you'll understand so much more better on how everything works. Earlier, when you wanted to trade, you would usually go to a stockbroker and ask that person to probably sell and buy stocks for you, and then that person would probably charge his commission, and that is how it used to be done. But obviously times have changed, and now everything's online and you can do all that by yourself, so it's a lot cheaper. And one way that you can do it is using this app called as Upstocks. Now this is a trading platform, but unlike other trading platforms, this is really good since you get a lot more benefits on it. Firstly, it's a discount broker, so what that means is every time you make a transaction, the brokerage fees is going to be a lot lesser. Secondly, you can open your demat account free of cost, which usually costs up to 600 rupees. And if you really want to trade, demat account is something that is mandatory and you have to have that. All you need is your PAN card number, and then you got to do your KYC, and there you have it, you're ready for trading. If you ask me, I think the app is very easy and extremely seamless. The #1 app on the Play Store with 1 million downloads. You can try out the charting tools without even signing up, and it also has 100 plus indicators. The app is also available in English and Hindi, so you can use as per your convenience. Also, the app has day and night mode, which is quite cool. Get free delivery trades for life. You can gain up to 25x margin on your trades. Also, there's a flat fee of ₹20 for intraday regardless of the amount involved. So basically, you end up saving a lot more. Also, if you start trading within 7 days of signing up, you can claim benefits of worth ₹28,000. So you can check that out. I will link the app in the description bar below for you guys to check out. And yeah, I really hope that helped you guys, because investing and saving is really important. If you haven't started yet, please look into it and start. Now my fourth stream of income is modeling. Now I used to model. I have modeled for quite a few brands, and I do that every now and then. I mean, depending when the work shows up. It's not something that you know for sure, or it's not very certain, and it's very unpredictable. But yeah, it is something that I do some months, and yes, that is how I made some of my money in 2019, so I thought of including it. And last, yeah, and fifth source of income is by selling my clothes. Now I was so huge on this, like when Spoil, that app, came out, I used to sell and buy my clothes literally on Spoil all the time, and then they just revamped their app, and since then I haven't been doing that. But yeah, I do make a little bit of my money through that. I really want to get back and start doing a lot more of it on Kootloot. Or the other day I just checked my app and I had like 200 followers. I was like, what? Like, because I just downloaded it, I just have one item over there. Let me know if you would be interested in that as well, because I do plan on selling a lot of my clothes because I am doing my closet clean out very soon. So yeah, let me know if you would be interested in that. So yeah, I have made money through selling my clothes, but it's always good to have multiple streams of income, and these were mine. Like, these are the 5 streams of income that I have, and this is how I usually make my money. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I hope that you got to know a little bit better on how your favorite YouTuber or your favorite Instagrammer is probably making money. So this is literally how everyone makes money, I feel. Obviously there are going to be people who also do like podcasts and like other things, so it depends, but at least for now this is how I make my money. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like, it would mean the world to me, so please go ahead and do that. And yeah, that being said, I will definitely see you next time. Bye.